If there was any piece of advice that I could give, it would be to dig deep, dig really deep inside and figure out what your passion is. Figure out what it is you're passionate about. What are you dreaming about? And put it into action, the manifestation aspect of it. I firmly believe that when you speak things into existence like that, that truly happens. Like I said, dig deep, find that passion, keep dreaming. Not one dream is too big. And just be you. Overall, whatever it is, continue to be the person that you are. Thank you guys, and go Big Red.